really doing well because we're taking it kind of slow today. It's less about the walk and more about feeling comfortable. Good. Ready? Get it. Oh, that one's so close to the fence. It's over here, look. So with anything that's scary, I want to try to approach from diagonal. Oh, that's scary too. Ready? Get it. It's kind of tough when you're surrounded by scary, kind of on all sides. What is it? Oh, it's a person getting out of a car. How dare they? Good. You got a scooter here, away from the scooter. Good. Good. Ready? Get it. Good. Yes. A little bit more time on that. Letting him watch for a little bit longer. Oh, that's good. Ready? Get it. Oh, big one. Big one. Yeah. Good. Ready? Get it. Again, the sign is over here, so I'm trying to go diagonal. And if we start to get too scared, I'm going to bail. Where is that thing? Oh, you're so close. I see it. Good job. Good boy. Good. Also clicking for looking at me. Or mom. Good. Air scenting the sign. Want to pay that. Oh, we've got this awful beeping too. Is that other one? So I can hear somewhere? Oh, here it is. Good. Are you ready? Okay, he's sitting, which you had said was a sign of stress, but you'd also said that he usually looks at things that he's scared of when he's sitting. Such a funny little boy. Yeah. Ooh, we got an animal hole. That's so fun. Your moles are in season.
Yeah.
And a little bit further away from the sign. Ready? Get it. Oh. I think the thing about the sign is that awful creaking noise that it makes. Good. Ready? Get it. I want to keep the leash nice and loose, just so he feels like he can get away from the sign if need be. Good. Get it. There you are. Good. Another scooter. What a nice day for scooters, huh? Get it. I'll block that nasty sign from you. See it. You ready? Get it. What? Did you get it or no? Yeah, did you see the sign? Ready?